Hello everyone, today I am talk the best new arrivals from the Samsung. In this video all new launch devices are discussed in this video. If you want to buy them go the link that is listed below the description. So let's start the video. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is new smartphone that is launched by the Samsung. Hope you this smartphone, check out the features and specification that all are described below. Display. 6.9-inch, 3088x1440 AMOLED, HDR10 Plus certified, 120Hz variable refresh rate dimensions. 164.8 x 77.2 x 8.1mm, 208 grams front camera. 10 megapixel, f2.2, 1.2214 m, rear ultra-wide camera. 12 megapixel, f2.2, 120 degree, FOV, 1.414 m rear telephoto camera. 12 megapixel, f3.0, 20 degree FOV, 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom, 1.014 m rear main camera. 108 megapixel, bin to 12, OIS, f1.8, 1.33 inch sensor size, 79 degree FOV, 0.814 m, at 12 megapixels, laser autofocus processor. Qualcomm. Snapdragon 865 plus RAM. 12 GB storage. 128 GB 512 GB, expandable via microSD battery. 4500 mAh, other specs. Wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, fast charging, NFC, mountain standard time, in-screen ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby, UWB, IP68 water resistance. If really want to buy then click on the link that is given below the description. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE tablet was launched on 5 August 2020. The tablet comes with a 12.40-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 2800 x 1752 pixels at a pixel density of 287 pixels per inch, pi. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE runs Android 10 and is powered by a 10,090 mAh battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE on the rear packs 13 megapixel camera. It sports a 8 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of in-built storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 1 million GB. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE measures 285.00 x 185.00 x 5.70 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 575.00 grams. It was launched in Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze, and Mystic Silver colors. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus LTE include USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG-NAC, and GPS. Sensors on the tablet include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, and compass magnetometer. If you want this tablets then simply go to the links that are listed below in the description. Pre-order your device from Amazon using the link. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. These are the new arrival from the Samsung and new generation earbuds in low price. Hear every sound come alive. 12mm speakers with sound by AKG work together with Galaxy Buds Live's ergonomic design to deliver spacious sound, while the large driver and bass duct help emit deep bass with airflow that let sound flow seamlessly. Made for your ears. Galaxy Buds Live sits softly inside the ear, giving you a fit for all-day comfort with less fatigue. Active noise cancellation. The first active noise cancellation, ANC, for open type on Galaxy's true wireless buds, keeps the noise out but lets the world in. It reduces background noises without missing what's important, like voices and announcements, so you hear more of what you want to hear. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Galaxy Watch 3 combines powerful technology with a premium customizable design, so you can manage the day-to-day from your wrist beautifully. Keep an eye on wellness with advanced health monitoring and go for days without charging. Keep an eye on your fitness and health with SpO2 VO2 Max and heart rate monitoring. Help is just a tap away if you stumble. And track your cycle in an easy and discreet way. This device and related software are not intended for use in the diagnosis of disease or other conditions, or in the cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease. SpO2, VO2 Max and running coach features not available at the time of launch will become available during Q3. Features will require a software update. This device and related software are not intended for use in the diagnosis of disease or other conditions, or in the cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease. Trip detection recognizes falls when engaged in dynamic motion, not when still. Requires network connection to notify emergency contact. These are all the new arrivals from the Samsung that are launches in 2020. If you really want these, then click on the links given below the description. Thank you. Thanks for watching video. Please make sure like, share, subscribe, and comment below the comment section. Thank you.